Hi, this is Bharti from Karnool giving you brief glimpses of Kondareddy Fort for all the history lovers. Kondareddy Fort is also known as Kondareddy Burju, which is in Karnool district in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh at a distance of 2 kilometers from Karnool railway station and 24 kilometers from Alampur. It is an imposing structure situated in the heart of Karnool city. It is one of the prominent landmark and historical monument of Rayalaseema region. India is known for architecture, painting, language, and literature. Numerous structures were constructed in different architectural styles. The structures were of two kinds. The first were forts, palaces, and gateways, which were constructed for the safety and protection. The structure was built during the era of the region of Vijayanagara Empire by Achyuta Devarayulu, a ruler from same dynasty. All that remains today, the most the ruins of the fort. Some sections, however, still it stand tall and are preserved as archaeological entity. The modest-looking structure once housed a tunnel that passed from under the Tungabhadra river and still holds a majestic watchtower. Looking over the city, how it grows, it still remains one of the most important landmarks of the Karnool city. Actually, Kondareddy Burju is a watchtower. The word Burju in Telugu is called as tower. Now I am going to give you a brief history of Kondareddy Burju. The construction of the fort dates back to the 12th century when the city of Karnool was used as a base of halting before crossing Tungabhadra river. Karnool was occupied by Vijayanagara ruler Devaraya II and Achyutaraya, who succeeded Krishnadevaraya, built the initial fort between 1530 and 1542. The fort has different gateways and bastions. The gateways of the fort were constructed by Gopal Raja, the grandson of Ramaraja, Talukota Vijayanagara kings in 17th century. The fort is named after Kondareddy, the last ruler of Alampur, who was imprisoned in the fort by Karnool Nawabs in 17th century. Locals and legends state that Kondareddy was under attack. There was a tunnel across the river Tungabhadra to Alampur. You can see this tunnel even now. This was a prison where Kondareddy had lost his breath and also lose his territory to Golconda Nawabs. The tunnels are now locked and closed for the public, but the fort is open for touring. The fort has 3 levels and it was used as a watchtower in 17th and 18th centuries. The ground level is closed for visitors, while the visitors can climb to the first and second floors and get a glimpses of the history. First level has a few enclosures with a large portico. The second level houses is a large tower and used for observation. Explore Kondareddy Fort. Kondareddy Fort, Karnool is a perfect destination for a great time with your dear ones. Enjoy the attractions of the popular tourist spot with so much lure to your senses and offer you a recreation and its best. Get drenched in spirit of adventure that you get to exposure to Kondareddy Fort, Karnool. Enjoy together all the points of popular interest and bring back several memorable moments. Kondareddy Fort, Karnool is not just a place of sightseeing, but also enables you to feel a self-indulged moment for yourself as well. So check out for Kondareddy Fort tourist spot for all the attractions that is on offer, a visit and spot of weekends and regenerating time. World standards, extraordinary architecture, innovative layouts and well thought execution make a place of highly coveted point of tourist interest. Do not forget to carry your camera and capture special moments. Kondareddy Fort, Karnool is a sure way to refresh and relax after busy weekends. Kondareddy Fort, Karnool is the best way to have a memorable time with your kids and family. So enjoy a fulfilling outing at Kondareddy Fort in Karnool. Let's hope very soon COVID-19 is going to disappear from the globe. After that, come and visit Karnool district. Here you find number of historic temples all around Karnool city like Srisailam, Mantralayam, Ahobilam, Yaganti, Mahanandi. Another tourist attraction is Balloon Caves, etc. I am sure when you return back to your places with bundles of memories and a kind of eternal bond with this historic city. This historical monument and major tourist attraction of Karnool located at northeast part of the city. Karnool is a place with much historical value with beautiful surroundings. Karnool is also known as the gateway of Rayalaseema. Karnool was the capital of Andhra Pradesh between 1953 to 1956 until the modern day of Telangana region was joined with Andhra state to form Andhra Pradesh. Kurnool lies on the banks of Tungabhadra river. The Handriniva rivers also flow through the city. The KC Canal was built by the Dutch for transportation but later used for irrigation. The AP Tourism Department officials have forwarded proposals in 2011 to hoist a national flag at the top of the centrally protected archaeological monument Kondareddy Burju. The effort is to make it as the fifth highest monumental flag mast in India and the highest one on South India. At a height of 168 feet, let us hope very soon a tri-colored Indian flag waving on the top of the fort, adding a special attraction to this monument as a mark of pride of India. In the year 2009, Kurnool experienced one of the worst floods in the history. Several areas were submerged in the flood's water, including with Kondareddy Burj surroundings. The picture you are witnessing here, it's not a lake, but it's the impact of flood. Massively hit Kurnool city in the floods, still Kondareddy Fort stands tall and indirectly indicated us not to lose hope. Stay strong. We may experience worse situations like disasters, natural calamities, COVID-19, but don't get upset with the situation. Try to face the challenges with courage, hope, confidence. Be like a warrior because things will get better. It might be stormy now, but it can't be rain forever. Thank you for watching. Bharat Mata ki Jai.